Noise quality and audio quality is probably one of the most important aspects of your video, aside from the actual quality of the picture. But sometimes we overlook audio quality and forget that there might be a massively loud fan going on in the background, an aircon, a dog barking, or traffic outside our window, or even just a really strong breeze can make or break our video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily remove all of that and increase your video quality using a free program. Hey guys, my name's Tennille and welcome back to Shore Social, where I help you increase your YouTube views, subscribers, and revenue. Okay guys, so the program we are going to be using today is Audacity. There are going to be two links in the description down below that I need you to go ahead and download. The first one being Audacity. This is essentially what the website looks like. Go ahead and click download Audacity. Go ahead and install that, open the application, and then close it, because we are going to be downloading the LAME and FFmpeg, mouthful. This is essentially a file that lets you open up your video files instead of having to record your audio separately from your video. So go ahead and come to this website. It's going to be the second link in the description, and come down to this section here and download this file and go ahead and install it. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm going to be using a piece of video that I just recorded with my fan on and my aircon going. So hopefully it picks up some background noise that we can remove. Usually my videos are pretty clean because I record with nothing on and there usually isn't any background noise. Drag it in like so. Now, because I record with two audio tracks, generally I record with a desktop sound and then my microphone. I'm going to pick the second channel because that's my microphone. Okay, so now that we've got the audio imported, we are going to go ahead and look for breaks in the audio or some stutters in the audio line before I'm actually speaking. So as you can see, if I start to zoom in on this first section here, we can see that there is some sound. So what we're going to do is we're going to select that background noise using the selection tool, like so, and then we are going to go up to Effect, Noise Reduction, and first of all we're just going to select Get Noise Profile. So that's going to go ahead and scan this section of the audio file and pick up that background noise. Once it does that, we're going to go ahead and double click or select the entire file, or Control A, go back to Effect, go back to the noise reduction, and then hit OK. As you can see, it removed all that background noise from this section, but has it removed it from the entire clip? Perfect, it removed absolutely everything. Now, if we want to go ahead and use this audio file in our editing software, all we need to do is go up to File, Export it as an MP3 because it is an audio file, or if you do have preference for other file types, go ahead and use those. I'm going to save it to my desktop as new audio. And it's as easy as that, removing background noise using Audacity to help you improve your audio quality and remove some background noise from your videos. If you did find this video helpful, guys, leave me a like and a comment down below. I'll see you in the next video. If you'd like any more Audacity tutorials, please do let me know, because not all of us can afford a super flash microphone that just does it all for us. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video. See you later.